I'm going to show you how to remove Google Chrome as a default browser on Android. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started. Now the first step you need to do is to launch your phone settings. Then you need to scroll down. Then tap on apps. Then again tap on apps. Then once you are here, you will need to go to search apps. Then search for Chrome. Then tap on it. Then you need to scroll down. Then tap on open by default. Then you need to tap on clear defaults. So by doing so, you'll be able to remove Google Chrome as default on your Android phone. So if you have found this useful, please do not forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.